Hey tech lovers! Today we have DJI Mini 4 Pro to discuss. The DJI Mini 4 Pro emerges as the answer to enhancing the already beloved Mini 3 Pro, all while maintaining its sub-250-gram weight. Recognized globally for its compact design, the Mini 3 Pro has garnered immense popularity. Now with the introduction of the Mini 4 Pro, I've extensively tested its capabilities in diverse locations, pushing its limits to provide insights. Packed with features, DJI amalgamates elements from the Mavic 3 and Air 3 into this remarkable drone. Notably, the Mini 4 Pro introduces innovations absent in its counterparts. In this concise review, we explore its new features, addressing the crucial question of whether it surpasses its predecessor. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Something new. The Mini 4 Pro maintains its compact 249-gram design while introducing a significant hardware upgrade, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance akin to the DJI Air 3 and Mavic 3. This enhancement provides a full 360-degree obstacle avoidance capability, covering front, back, and sideways detection, along with bottom sensors, instilling a heightened sense of security during flights. The camera, a pivotal aspect of drone performance, boasts an f1.7 fixed aperture, 48-megapixel sensor, and 24mm focal length, reminiscent of the Mini 3 Pro. However, DJI asserts substantial internal upgrades, including advanced software processing and an upgraded ISP. Through extensive testing, it's evident that DJI has perfected the exposure and overall look of the Mini 4 Pro's photos and videos. The dynamic range, highlights, and shadows are exceptionally handled, achieving natural, vibrant visuals without excessive saturation or over-sharpening. The resulting image and video quality mark a noticeable improvement, reinforcing the Mini 4 Pro's position as a top-tier small drone. Color profiles. The DJI Mini 4 Pro introduces two new color profiles, HLG and D-Log-M, enhancing the drone's video capabilities. HLG, previously seen on the Mavic 3 Pro and DJI Air 3, provides vibrant and high dynamic range footage. When shot in HLG, visuals appear strikingly bright with ample saturation, creating an impressive viewing experience on HDR monitors or devices like iPhones. Additionally, HLG supports 10-bit color depth. Another noteworthy addition is the D-Log-M, a 10-bit flat color profile. This feature carried over from the DJI Air 3 and Mavic 3 Pro, safeguards highlights and shadows, allowing users to perform precise color grading for spectacular footage. The Mini 4 Pro's video prowess extends to its ability to shoot 4K 100, elevating slow-motion capture and surpassing the HD quality of the Mini 3 Pro. The camera retains its rotational capability, enabling users to capture vertical content without cropping, a valuable feature for social media sharing. While hardware changes are minimal, internal software processing enhances photo and video quality, aligning with the advancements seen in contemporary smartphones. Incredible features. In the ever-evolving world of drone technology, the DJI Mini 4 Pro emerges as a groundbreaking successor to the beloved Mini 3 Pro. Maintaining its portability under 250 grams, this new iteration introduces a plethora of advanced features, responding to user demands and pushing the boundaries of what a compact drone can achieve. Cruise control takes center stage. Responding to the requests of drone enthusiasts, the Mini 4 Pro incorporates cruise control, a feature initially sought from the DJI Air 3 and the Mavic 3 Pro. By simply flying the drone in any direction and activating cruise control with the C1 button, allowing the drone to continue its flight autonomously, an absolutely remarkable addition. Enhanced night video mode. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Mini 4 Pro introduces the night video mode, a feature first witnessed on the Mavic 3 and DJI Air 3. This mode automatically adjusts ISO levels and applies noise reduction, resulting in remarkably sharp and low-noise nighttime video footage. The algorithm behind this enhancement contributes to superior video quality, making it an invaluable tool, especially in low-light conditions. Revolutionary 360 active tracking. It is one of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro, an evolution from the Mavic 3 Pro and DJI Air 3. This feature allows users to draw a box around a subject, be it a person, car, or object, and enables the drone to track it seamlessly on a 360-degree clock face. The innovation lies in the introduction of outer and inner rings, offering unprecedented creative flexibility. Users can select tracking from a distance on the outer ring and then smoothly transition to close, customized tracking within the inner circle. The result is a truly immersive and dynamic tracking experience that exceeds expectations. Auxiliary light for night landings. A new auxiliary light graces the bottom of the Mini 4 Pro, serving dual purposes. During nighttime filming and landings, it illuminates the ground, enhancing visibility and improving safety. The light can be effortlessly toggled on or off via the C2 button, providing a better visual line of sight during night flights. Despite this addition, the Mini 4 Pro maintains its weight under 250 grams, ensuring compliance with regulations and uncompromised portability. Essential ND filters for daytime shooting. While the fixed f/1.7 aperture excels in low light and nighttime videography, it poses challenges in daylight conditions, potentially resulting in over-sharpened footage. The solution lies in the use of ND filters, with the DJI set including ND16, ND64, and ND256 options. Third-party alternatives are anticipated to broaden the choices for users, offering flexibility in adapting to diverse lighting scenarios. DJI Mini 4 Pro, unleashing long-requested features. The Mini 4 Pro introduces a host of sought-after internal features, fulfilling requests accumulated over the years. A standout addition is the inclusion of Waypoints, a feature avidly desired since the Mini 2. This enables users to craft personalized flight plans, injecting creativity into every drone journey. Activated with a simple C1 button press, Waypoints offer control over various drone actions, altitude changes, gimbal tilts, recording commands, and more. Ideal for solo filming, users can create missions for the drone to navigate without direct control, revolutionizing self-capture. Sponsored by Artlist, a premier music platform, offering hassle-free access to high-quality music and sound effects, enhancing the filmmaking process. Join the 100K Funds competition for a chance to turn your creative vision into reality with a $100,000 prize. Explore the Mini 4 Pro and unlock limitless possibilities. Enhanced controller and conclusion for DJI Mini 4 Pro. With the introduction of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the renowned RC2 controller, originally paired with the DJI Air 3, now boasts compatibility with this latest drone. Featuring external antennas, this controller ensures robust connectivity, eliminating signal concerns. Additionally, the RC2 incorporates a faster chip, enhancing operational efficiency when navigating menus and adjusting features. Its lightweight design and integrated screen make it a preferred choice. In summary, the Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal drone not only for beginners, but also for frequent travelers seeking a compact and feature-rich device. The ability to use a single controller for both the DJI Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro enhances convenience for users with multiple drones. This drone is expected to be a bestseller, especially during the holiday season, captivating enthusiasts with its advanced features and user-friendly design. While not a revolutionary leap, the Mini 4 Pro undoubtedly surpasses its predecessor, solidifying its position as the premier small drone in the market. Like and subscribe to the channel.